mobilers, welcome back to your World Mobile Update, covering the highlights from October to December 2024. In these 3 months, World Mobile achieved record AirNode deployments, expanding the share economy with new partners, launched innovative products like Spark AirNode, and made a real impact by connecting remote and disaster-affected communities. From major ecosystem milestones to inspiring community stories and global media coverage, let's dive into how World Mobile is driving the future of decentralized connectivity. World Mobile is helping to close the connectivity gap in Africa by bringing affordable, sustainable, and profitable internet access to remote regions. A recent video highlights how World Mobile achieved this in a remote village in Tanzania, demonstrating the positive impact of their network on local communities by making online access possible where it was previously unavailable. In response to Hurricane Helene, World Mobile installed AirNodes in North Carolina to support disaster relief efforts. Recognizing that connectivity is vital, especially for communities left isolated after natural disasters, World Mobile acted swiftly to restore communications where it was needed the most. This initiative demonstrates the World Mobile's commitment to ensuring that no one is left without the means to connect even in the most challenging circumstances. World Mobile's cellular network is now officially live in Reno. Residences can now experience reliable, decentralized connectivity powered by World Mobile's innovative infrastructure. In the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, World Mobile deployed AirNodes in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina to restore critical connectivity for isolated communities. The storm's devastation left families unable to reach loved ones, rescue teams struggled, and businesses at a standstill, underscoring that connectivity is a necessity, not a luxury. World Mobile responded by leveraging Starlink's satellite backbone alongside its decentralized network, rapidly restoring communications even in the most remote and challenging conditions. This partnership ensured that essential communication was resilient and reliable, helping communities rebuild, reconnect, and recover faster. The Blue Ridge Mountains now stand as a testament to what's possible when innovation meets determination. World Mobile's disaster response demonstrates that no place is too remote and no challenge too great to bring the unconnected online. Pakistan was featured on the GSMA Mobile Connectivity Index with the following scores out of 100. Pakistan is classified as an emerging country in terms of mobile connectivity. While about 80% of the population has access to some form of connectivity, meaningful high bandwidth access remains limited outside of the wealthy urban areas. World Mobile is calling on the community to help spark change, close the digital gap, and earn rewards. Islamabad, nestled against the scenic Margala Hills, now benefits from a growing network of Spark AirNodes. This modern, green, capital city home to landmarks like the Faisal Mosque and tranquil parks now offers affordable connectivity for residents and visitors. Reliable internet access is empowering local businesses to showcase products, process payments, and expand their reach globally. World Mobile is proud to support Islamabad's journey towards unlocking its full digital potential. The expansion of World Mobile network in Pakistan has been driven by local partner WorldCall. Their efforts began in Lahore, where Spark AirNodes started to build the people's network and deliver meaningful connectivity to the community. World Mobile continues to encourage more operators to join and help connect Pakistan. World Mobile has installed Spark AirNodes in Lahore, bringing better and more affordable internet to the city. This means people and businesses in Lahore can now connect more easily, helping everyone stay in touch and grow. World Mobile launched Batch 2, Drop 2 of AirNode sales on October 15, 2024. The whitelist opened for new pioneers to join, and the drop sold out in just 10 minutes, setting a new record after previous drops sold out in 36 hours and 11 minutes. For those who missed out, Batch 2 Drop 3 is on the way and promises to be even bigger. World Mobile celebrated 900 days of continuous network uptime, marking 900 days of progress, innovation, and building the future of decentralized connectivity. As of October 28, 2024, this is the update of the Ecosystem Data Report. AirNode operators can now claim their rewards for September 2024. Operators simply log in, go to rewards payment, and select their preferred payment method, USD or USDC. World Mobile launched Batch 2, Drop 3 of AirNode sales in November, with an AMA held on November 12th to mark the occasion. The drop went live and sold out in record time. Apex AirNodes were gone in just 60 seconds. New pioneers have joined the sharing economy, and more opportunities are coming soon. A comprehensive AirNode operator guide is now available, covering everything from setup and responsibilities to dashboard navigation and support. This resource is designed to help new and existing operators earn rewards and contribute to the World Mobile sharing economy. World Mobile shared key statistics on its sharing economy. 2,363 AirNodes deployed, including Link, Apex, Portal, Titan, Spark, and Wi-Fi AirNodes. Over 12.12 PB of data downloaded by Batch 2 AirNodes. Demands remain high, with each new batch selling out faster than the last. World Mobile Group CEO shared insights on bridging the global connectivity gap and disrupting the telecoms industry.
Some could say that we're right at the beginning, some could say we're at the last mile. For us, we're picking up on technology, we're picking up on the research and development done by tech giants. We're not creating anything new, we're taking existing components off the shelf and we're creating a mobile network from it. So we're in a wonderful position where although we are starting now, the last mile is actually here and is within sight. The World Bank, the United Nations, by 2030, they want to have the world connected. I believe that together, we can do this quicker. What does it mean for the people on the ground? What does it mean for the unconnected? It means everything. It's a brand new world. It's a world of opportunities. It's a world where the digital divide is bridged. It's a world of identity. It's a world of e-commerce. It's a world of esports. It's a world where connectivity allows you, allows them, allows us to be at the forefront of the future. It's a world where we can all be equal. It's a world where any request, any information of mankind's history is able to be looked up. 50% of the world doesn't have that. 50% of the world's just about to have that. It means everything. Just think about the African continent, sub-Sahara alone, 800 million people unconnected. This is an enormous amount of potential. The average age is 19.5 years old. We're leaving behind so much talent. This talent is unparalleled, and we're just about to unlock not only the biggest gig economy in the world, but a whole new level of arts and skills and joy and passion and love that we've not seen before.
World Mobile introduced the Spark AirNode, its most affordable AirNode yet. Starting at $62.99, Spark AirNodes are being deployed in Islamabad and Lahore, with plans for over 200,000 nationwide. Operators earn monthly rewards per AirNode, and smart tier pricing applies for bulk purchases. AirNode operators can now claim their rewards for October 2024. Operators can log in, go to rewards payment, and choose to receive rewards in USD or USDC. World Mobile launched Spark AirNode Drop 1, giving individuals the chance to become AirNode operators and help build the future of connectivity. The public sale was a huge success, with 2,000 Spark AirNodes sold out in just 3 minutes. Following this, World Mobile opened a community distribution partner sale, allowing key partners like Luvola Digital, Cheeky Crypto, TokeoPay, and others to participate and further expand the network. These partners play a vital role in World Mobile's telecom infrastructure to more communities. AirNode operators can now claim their rewards for November 2024. To claim, log into your account, go to Rewards Payment, click Claim, and choose your preferred payment method, USD or USDC. For support, contact AirNode at worldmobile.net. World Mobile Chain is now running, marking a major milestone for DPIN, telecoms and connectivity. More details will be shared soon following the INO code on November 14, 2024. World Mobile Chain, WMC, is the blockchain powering the World Mobile Network. WMC designed for DPIN, offering fast, low-cost, and EVM-compatible transactions. In governance, we secured by 1,000 Earth nodes. In liquidity, it uses Base It uses Base as the settlement layer, connecting the Ethereum and Base ecosystems. In the telecom side, it supports products like eSIMs, VPNs, storage, DIDs, and DPIN nodes. The users will be able to power an ecosystem with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Partnerships include collaborating with Base, Chainlink, Input-Output HK, and more. Vision. Mainnet plans including trading, a launchpad, stablecoin, governance, and tokenizing real-world assets. EarthNode operators can now get pre-access to the testnet via the exclusive AirNode Discord channels. Due to the migration from WMT to WMTX, World Mobile's buyback wallets have changed. After a successful migration window with about 90% of WMT migrated to WMTX, World Mobile will open the migration portal for Cardano, WMT to Cardano, WMTX migrations only, starting December 6 at 12 UTC. The portal will remain open until further notice. For EVM native WMTX, users must first migrate to Cardano native WMTX and then use the Singularity Net bridge. The Migration Support Hub remains open on Discord for help and resources. Users are reminded to beware of scams and only use official channels. WMTX is now available on Helio, enabling seamless crypto checkouts for over 6,000 merchants and more than 1 million customers worldwide. World Mobile's launch on Base, Ethereum, and BNB chain to expand its global Web3 wireless network was featured by major outlets including Binance, HackerNoon, U-Today, and Markets Insider. World Mobile announces participation at MWC Las Vegas 2024 and invited the community to connect at the event. World Mobile CEO and founder will be featured on an upcoming episode of The Room of El Yaboom, highlighting the importance of people in making products work.
I always enjoyed people, very much so, and really enjoyed fighting for what's right.
But you look heavy when you said fighting. I thought you were like actually a boxer or something, or a wrestler or...
Yeah, I've got some history in martial arts.
World Mobile CMO joined the panel at the Digital ComX's Mansion House Summit series to discuss decentralization and the role of DPINs in global blockchain adoption, alongside industry leaders and His Excellency Dr. Dayef Al-Hadraf. World Mobile provided connectivity relief in North Carolina for communities affected by Hurricane Helene. The trailer for Connecting the Disconnected was released, showcasing these efforts.
Clarified, right?
Good connectivity.
It's awesome.
Breaking news as Hurricane Helene, the strongest hurricane to hit the U.S. in over a year.
World Mobile shared its success connecting a remote community in Wales using Starlink backhaul and AirNodes, a model that inspired their disaster relief work in North Carolina.
Single day is going to be different. You can plan as much as you like, but you just never know because we live very much by the tide and the weather. We all love living here and having the sea next to us. And so if it's a beautiful day and the sea is just perfect, then we will probably go and play on.
World Mobile's head of Aerostat activities spoke of the Connecting the World from the Skies conference, showcasing the company's low-altitude platform innovations. World Mobile was highlighted in Dated Dash's latest YouTube video, World Mobile, Mainstream DPIN for the Internet. World Mobile announced the premiere of its feature-length documentary, Connecting the Disconnected, telling the story of restoring connectivity in North Carolina after Hurricane Helene using AirNode and Starlink technology. The film will be shown live on December 10, 2024, with a full release on December 11, followed by a community update AMA. World Mobile hosted a special AMA exclusively for current AirNode operators on Discord. Operators were invited via email to join dedicated channels and engage directly with the team, ask questions, and connect with fellow operators. World Mobile highlighted the role of Ambassador Oceanic Goon, whose tweet inspired the team to take action and help those disconnected by Hurricane Helene. Oceanic Goon became a key link between World Mobile and affected communities, helping restore connectivity and hope. This story is featured in the hashtag Connecting the Disconnected documentary, premiering December 10, 2024. World Mobile announced that the House of Titans has joined the partner program as a distribution partner of AirNode sales, starting with Batch 2. House of Titans has committed to an allocation of AirNodes from Batch 2 and future batches, enabling their community to participate in World Mobile's DePIN-powered sharing economy and share in the rewards generated by providing connectivity worldwide. World Mobile welcomed TokeoPay as a treasury partner for infrastructure sales. This partnership will give more people access to the World Mobile sharing economy. TokeoPay holders will also have exclusive access to rewards from World Mobile token. World Mobile partnered with Toshi, a popular meme coin on Base, to introduce World Mobile to the Base community and allow Toshi community members to participate in the sharing community. The Toshi community has also acquired an Apex AirNode, marking their entry into the World Mobile's network of operators. World Mobile continues to expand its decentralized network, reaching a new record for daily unique users and maintaining strong network uptime as the ecosystem grows. That wraps an incredible final quarter of 2024 for World Mobile, with thousands of new AirNodes deployed, all-time highs in network usage, impactful partnerships, and real-world stories of connection from Africa to the USA. The mission to bridge the digital divide is stronger than ever. Thank you for being part of this journey. Your support are what make the World Mobile movement unstoppable. If you enjoyed this update, please like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to stay on the loop. Share your thoughts in the comments. What inspired the most from this quarter's progress? For more news and behind-the-scenes content, follow World Mobile on social media. All links are in the description below. Until next time,